Euroclean Bravo is a lightweight handheld vacuum cleaner that's compact and easy to use. Its HEPA-type filter captures even the tiniest particles of dust and dust mites, making your home cleaner and healthier. With its zero bend feature, you can avoid bending or stretching and clean your home comfortably. The shoulder strap enables you to use the vacuum cleaner hands-free and hassle-free. To boot the device, press the on-off button. To use the blower accessories, unlock the latch and attach the blower hose. Bravo comes with a prefixed hose pipe, which frees you from the task of connecting an extension. The flexible hose can be used to clean paintings, electronic devices like laptops, and televisions. The Turbo Brush deep cleans upholstery, mattresses, curtains and sofas. The 2-in-1 brush is a multi-purpose brush. Without bristles, it can be used to clean soft surfaces. With bristles, it can be used to clean delicate surfaces like showpieces and artifacts. You may use the extension tubes for places which are hard to reach. The floor brush accessory cleans and sucks out dirt and allergens effectively and effortlessly. The crevice nozzle gets rid of dirt from corners and crevices which are inaccessible. This accessory can be used on the suction end as well as the blower end. The euroclean Bravo boasts of a new dust collector that contains a 4-stage filtration process that ensures that the expelled air is absolutely clean. With the help of the dust collector's quick release, the dust can be easily removed. Let's make cleaning hassle-free. Eureka Forms, your friend for life.